Hi there! Welcome to Automa Forge, your shortcut to mastering smart tools without the overwhelm. I'm Eva. Today we're diving into the magic of Google Sheets. If you've ever opened Google Sheets and felt like it was just a blank grid of confusion, don't worry, you're not alone. Today I'll show you 5 beginner-friendly formulas that'll make you say, why didn't I know this before? These are not just formulas, they're real-life time savers. Whether you're a student, freelancer, entrepreneur, or just organizing your life, these will change how you work with data. So, grab a coffee, open up a blank sheet, and let's level up your spreadsheet game in under 10 minutes.
Let's start with the classic, sum. In cell B6, I'll type equals sum, B1, B5. This adds up all the values from B1 to B5, simple math, but essential for any data you're analyzing like expenses, marks, or sales totals. Use it when you want fast totals without using a calculator. Now, let's find the average, or mean, of values. In cell C6, I'll use equals average, C1, C5. Perfect for calculating grade point averages, price averages, or survey results. Use it when you want a quick insight into trends or performance. Time to get logical with the if formula. Here's a classic, equals if D2 50, pass, fail. This checks if the number in D2 is greater than 50. If yes, it shows pass. Otherwise, it shows fail. Use it when you want decisions to happen automatically based on data. What if you want to count how many times something appears? Let's count how many people scored above 70. This scans the range and returns how many cells match the condition. Use it when you're analyzing survey data, attendance, or tracking who crossed a threshold. Let's join text together with concatenate, or the AND operator. If A2 is a first name and B2 is a last name, this gives you the full name. Use it when you're formatting names, addresses, or creating custom labels.
And there you go, 5 smart formulas that will make your Google Sheets work for you instead of against you. Got stuck anywhere? Just pause and rewind, or drop your question in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss simple, powerful tutorials like this one. Got a specific formula or feature you want explained? Leave a comment, we read every single one. Thanks for watching. I'm Eva, and you've been watching Automa Forge. See you in the next one.